Okay, I'm at Nate's today. You can see I got a variety of 3-inch pieces of aluminum. This was a steel bracket, so we're going to do a little custom work here and see what we can do for this flange. Custom aluminum work here. Basically, we're taking a piece of aluminum. I had a piece of steel that I thought was really close, but obviously we want to do it in aluminum. We didn't have a piece of 3-inch steel pipe, or we could have went the steel route. So we're going to go with the aluminum route for this flange. Recording. Let's see. Am I over enough? Aluminum. All right, Nate's using this wrap around here because what we're trying to do is draw a taper. We're going to taper this 3-inch nipple so that the angle will then mate up to this piece right here. Then Nate can work his wonders with all the aluminum welding and so forth. It fits pretty good on our piece here, and then I can scribe the inside and get this hole all cut out. And obviously you use a lot of goop. There'll be a lot of silicone on this thing, but I mean, in a nutshell, you have something like this. Now obviously this sits level in the Jeep, like so, and then the piece will angle to the left of the screen to intercept the hose. Then right in there we'll get some 1/8-inch hole, or excuse me, some holes. Yeah, 1/8 inch for 1032s. There'll be a couple holes in the top. There'll be one in the right-hand corner of the screen, one on the left, and then it will get nutted and bolted with 1032 stainless steel hardware. Man, I'll tell you that doesn't seem bad. What are you reading there? I think we're gonna go with that.
45.
As long as we're reading that thing right. I mean, the bourbon's definitely helping. Just to get current with the video, we got a 20-degree angle on this. Nate will be able to, it was really difficult to cut. You know, I used the Part-11, but Nate will be able to fill the puddle in and seal this up nice. We want it kind of maxed out with that lean away from the fuse box. I think this is gonna work out pretty nice. Went with aluminum. The whole thing will be in aluminum, and then, as I said, there'll be 832s going through the cover and so forth, and a whole bunch of black silicone and duct seal, and who the hell knows? If I'm not happy with it, I'll use roofing tar, whatever it takes. But this thing will be sealed up nice. All right, this is what we're starting with. Here we go. Aluminum TIG welding. The master is back at it again. Find myself back at Nate's garage. He's just gonna tack this thing and then kind of look it over.
That's what I was telling Mike.
Here we go. We got the angle. It's tacked. Now he'll end up filling that all around a little at a time. He said, give that thing a spin. Oh, yeah. That thing looks pretty damn good.
Where the couple of gaps were, just
Yeah,
kept
completely
feeding wire
filled
in there,
it in. Yeah.
Just have to clean that up, make that flat again.
So I won't have to worry about the inside at all because the outside is all sealed up. So I don't have to, if anything, I can take a file and open that a little more if I want. And I have nothing to worry about because the whole outside is all sealed up. Nice. Okay, there it is. You can see Nate just leveled off the airbox cover like it would be in the Jeep. And I think he did one hell of a job duplicating basically something that I just had a picture of from an old forum. And I think this is going to do just fine. So obviously it'll all get painted. I'll drill some mounting I'll drill some holes in it to get it secured with some stainless steel hardware. I have to drill out the inside, and then I'm going to use a really nice, maybe some mastic tape, a really nice gasket material. And this thing, when I'm all done with it, is going to be so waterproof. So home run.